so welcome back to the channel. We got today a 1929 1.5 horsepower Model E hit and miss engine. We're going to try and start. So first thing I'm going to do is right here's the choke. We're going to go full choke, and then we're going to turn the gas on just like so. And then this, we got a little antifreeze in there now. It should be full 3/4 with water, but for the amount we're going to start it, we're just going to go ahead and just start it. It should be alright. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start this guy up. So choke is on, gas is on. Alright, let's give it a go. You always want to turn you always want to turn clockwise, otherwise it'll kick back at you. So we got some gas in it right here. Here's the little fill plug. So she's got gas in it there. Alright, let's get her going. There it is. And this is all it'll do. It's going to hit, and then it's going to miss. It's a good little runner. It's all original paint. It's got a nice belt pulley on it that you could run something with. Look at that, just barely running. Just got to watch out for that freaking handle there. Yeah, I like the original paint on it. It has a rebuilt magneto, so pretty good little runner. Now we're going to shut it off, so all we're going to do is turn the gas off and let it run itself dry. And that's how you know it's out of gas, is when it starts making that kind of a noise. So alright, that's kind of how you start a 1929 John Deere Model E hit and miss engine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.